Well, producer Sandeep Singh has clarified reports on Sanjay Dutt and Arshad Varsi coming together in a film produced by him. He has shared that the film's casting is not yet complete, and in fact the script, which is written by Farhad Samji and Sajid, is still work in progress. But what we do know is that the film is being produced by Sajid, Sanjay Dutt and Anand Pandit and will have two leading ladies in the film with lots of foot-tapping dance numbers. Well, Sandeep, we really hope that this one rumor is true and we get to see Sanjay Dutt and Arshad Varsi together on screen very soon. In an exclusive chat with an entertainment portal, producer Sandeep Singh has cleared the air about rumors floating around about an on-screen reunion of Sanjay Dutt and Arshad Varsi, who were hugely popular together in the Munna Bhai films. November 2019 से कई खबरें आई हैं that Sanjay will play the role of a blind Don, whereas Arshad will be his eyes. But now Sandeep has made a lot of clarifications during his conversation. Turns out the casting for the film has not been finalized. In fact, अभी तक scripts ही finalize नहीं हुई है. And while Sanjay Dutt is one of the producers, no other actors have been confirmed. Sandeep shared, "This film is being produced by me, Sanjay Dutt and Anand Pandit. We are producing the film together. But the problem is, we have not yet finalized the casting of the film. The script, which is written by Sajid and Farhad Samji, is also in process. I don't know from where this casting news is coming out from, as we are still in process." But while there is no confirmation about Arshad being in the film, we learnt that इस film में एक नहीं दो leading ladies होंगी. And the music will only have foot-tapping club numbers that are being composed by Himesh Reshammiya. Sandeep confirmed it by saying, "This is a big film with two leading ladies, and there are only party club numbers." When prodded further, Sandeep admitted that Arshad Varsi has been approached, लेकिन अभी तक कुछ finalize नहीं हुआ है. But if things do work out and Arshad joins the film, it will truly be Sone Pe Suhaga. The film's locations have also been reimagined, and now instead of Budapest, the film's locations will all be in Mumbai and Goa now. Speaking about this change in location, Sandeep shared, "This is true that we were going abroad. We were supposed to shoot with the entire cast in Budapest, but unfortunately it won't be possible. Now we are planning to shoot the entire film in India, like in Goa and Mumbai, among other places." Before signing off, Sandeep shared a little about the storyline of the film for audiences to know what to expect, and said, "This film is an action comedy drama which has a Don, their bodyguards, their love interests. It has the family and love angles. It has all the fun elements. It's a very stylish action comedy drama. It will really be something to see Sanjay Dutt and Arshad Varsi together again, and we are hoping to get more news soon."